my dear friends. Welcome to ArtMagic. I'm Amelia. I hope you're having a good day, but it's going to get better. Want to do something fun? Here, let me show you some creative magic. You'll love it. So, let's go.
Today, we are going to draw an incredibly cute animal. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a bunny. Let's draw its eyes. Do you know what it's holding in its hand? It's a carrot. Bunnies love to eat carrots, and I love them too. Do you? Our drawing is complete. Now, let's start coloring. We'll use gray for its body. A bunny's fur is so soft. And do you know what color a carrot is? It's orange. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which helps keep our eyes healthy. So, kids, make sure to eat carrots every day. There, it's done, and it looks so nice. Try doing this drawing with your friends and share the art of magic. Bye-bye.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.